In this video, we will look at the Repair Sheet tool and how to use it. The panel schedule workbooks take full advantage of the Excel formulas throughout the workbook. As you can see, when you're working with Excel, it's very common to try to take a group of cells and clicking in the corner, pull down and extend those cells values into adjoining cells. Sometimes when you do that, you accidentally click on the border and drag the entire range to a new location. When that happens, you can see that we end up with broken Excel formulas. To repair those, click on the Repair Sheet. It restores the formatting and it restores the Excel formulas throughout the entire sheet. This tool will work on all worksheets that have Excel formulas that can become corrupted. All you have to do is click on the Repair Sheet tool with that worksheet open, and it will be fully repaired. Please refer to the other videos in this series to learn how to take full advantage of this panel schedule software.